How excited are you?
Extremely excited, a lot nervous, more than anything.
Tell me what's going on. Is this your first race out here?
First race at Route 66. Used to race mini sprints back at Silver Dollar Speedway, and just leave that one. Bill.
No, you pulled that one down.
Okay.
So you're super excited,
Super
super
excited,
nervous,
very nervous about it.
ready to get it on.
Built the body in 13 hours last night, and then you just boom.
Was it 6 a.m. fucking night?
So
Six,
tell me,
yes.
when this car goes by, what's your favorite memory out here?
My favorite memory out here is it was about last year, championship night. I got to hot lap my good buddy Leland Cruz's car, and that's what really gave me the bug to go buy a race car and get it
Itch
built.
to do it?
Oh yeah. So extremely excited, and hopefully I do good tonight.
Well, we want to say thank you, and we appreciate all that you've done for us and helped us. And we are extremely excited and proud to have you out here. Can't wait to see what you got going on, brother.
We're a racing family out here.
Heck
we take
yeah,
care
man.
of each other.
Let's go see your car.
Graphics aren't done quite just yet. Hopefully by this next time we race here in 2 weeks, we'll get the graphics done and they'll be looking a lot nicer. This is what the graphics are gonna look like.
Sweet. Brother, we love you. We appreciate it. Can't wait to see you out there, man.
Bro.
Been trying to do a video with this guy right here forever.
What's up, man?
What's up? What's your name?
Jesus.
Jesus.
Hey, yeah.
Jesus what?
Alvarez.
Alvarez drives the 95 car. Bomb City. This is the guy that usually smokes my butt.
Lakes, I need you lined up, please, back track. All street stocks and Lindsay Lakes to line up, back track. Also, modified. We're going to hop at you guys tonight. Modified, you need to get dressed and ready.
So what's up, Jesus?
What's up, man?
So tell me about yourself.
Lindsay Lakes, I need you up there.
What do you want to know?
What got you out here racing?
Just coming out here for years, just watching it. I like it a lot. And last year, I got a chance to buy a sport mod from Rocha.
Yeah?
And we just started getting into it. And ever since I've been enjoying it.
Having fun, huh?
It gets expensive, but it's fun.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
So tell me, what's your favorite memory out here?
I don't know, man.
This is your second year, right?
Second year.
Second year?
So far, really.
Still waiting on something really memorable to pop
Yeah.
up, huh?
Yeah,
Just having fun racing. You
guess-
doing it with your mom, dad?
Yeah. I guess you can say I'm passing you.
That's just not right at all. All right, brother, man. We'll see you out there. Thank you,
Appreciate it,
man.
man.
We love you, bro.
Thank you.
What's up, Mama?
Good morning.
Pork chop here with my slice of apple pie.
Ha 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 ha.
My little sweetie pie. Anyway, we haven't been doing interviews, but we did an interview with Connor.
You did?
Yep. He was the first video that we did, the first deal. Look at old Corey Williams up here just smoking ass. That dude's crazy good. Didn't get no good footage, got mud on the camera. We're right here. Blop, blop.
That's nice.
Yeah, wonderful.
Another one. Whoa.
Yeah, so just go straight to the B-Main 1, which I did pretty good. Anyway, let's go back to Connor.
Okay.
You remember Connor?
No, not really.
He's the guy that helped us in Lubbock doing the tow on Cole's car.
Oh, okay, yeah. Now I remember.
Shops over there with Leland.
Yeah. a
Super,
nice guy.
oh man, he's awesome. That dude he's always got a smile on his face. Cool to be around, just awesome dude. Got a cool little dog named Hoosier.
That's the puppy.
That's the puppy. Can't say enough about him, man. He's helped us out tremendously. He's worked so hard to get that car done and going. So proud of him. He's done such an amazing job. Leland's helped him out. A few other people's helped him out, but he's mainly done that car by himself.
That's pretty
Can't-
good.
Yeah, I can't wait to see him race this year. Just to hang out with him, have fun. Good dude.
I think the first night he got it running, it stormed and they had to cancel, didn't they?
Yeah, it's this race right here. So we got all the B mains in, but didn't get any of the A mains. So we'll rerun those after the 4th of July weekend. Which,
Yes, on the
yeah.
10th.
We are actually recording this right now, fixing to go to Roswell in about 2 or 3 hours because Lubbock got rained out. So hopefully Leland Cruz has got his bags packed and we're going to follow him over to Roswell. This was a good race right here. My A main, my B main.
You did very well.
Passed that dude. I finally passed this 32 car. It takes me a little while, but I got him. But right up ahead of him was this Billy Graham. I couldn't get past Billy.
He's pretty good.
He ain't good. I got a crate motor. I'm coming for him.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just wait till this little low motor gets changed out. Daddy gonna show him what's up.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll let you